Fondus are a great way of strengthening your legs and core and improving your stability on one leg. The strength that you build in fondus will carry over to allow you to be able to jump higher and land softer. Hi, Daniel here. You're watching the Swan Puddle channel. This channel is all about making you a better, stronger dancer. If you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you can see more of these videos. When beginners learn fondu, they learn this type of fondu. But fondu is actually a word that is more generally used to describe any movement where you're on one leg and you bend the supporting knee. So it's a very simple concept. If you are in a ballet class, the teacher may say like arabesque on fondu or promenade on fondu. When they say that, they just mean at some point in the movement, the standing leg is bent. But in this video, we're going to be focusing on this very specific fondu. This is a great starting place to jump off into the other fondus. Like many simple ballet steps, a fondu can be done to the front, to the side, or to the back. The first fondu in a series of fondus normally starts in fifth, but they can begin with the leg extended in any direction, in retire, and in coupe. Fondus can extend to many different heights, but for the purposes of this video, we'll be focusing on fondus that extend to 45 degrees. Let's look at fondu front. For fondu front, begin in fifth position, plie on both feet and articulate that front foot to coup de pied front. The baby toe of that foot should be connected to the part of the ankle that sticks out. This position is called coup de pied. The knees continue to bend until the ankle can't bend any longer. At that point, you extend your leg front. The toes of the foot should be tracing a straight diagonal line outward. Think of making the heel lead this motion and try to rotate it out to help you maintain the most turnout. The knees should finish straightening at the same time, and your front leg should be at a 45-degree angle with your standing leg. If the exercise you're dancing has multiple fondus in a row, then you trace that diagonal line with your toes back into coup de pied as you bend both knees. Fondu back, or derrier, starts in fifth. Articulate your back foot off the floor to coup de pied back as you bend both knees. In this position, the big toe is connected to the bump on the outside of your ankle. Continue to bend the knees until your ankle cannot bend anymore. Then begin to straighten your front knee as you extend the back leg behind you. Focus on turning out the leg by imagining that you are leading the movement with the back of your knee. Think about drawing a diagonal line upward with your toes as you do so. Both knees should finish straightening at the same time, and the back leg should be at a 45-degree angle with the front leg. As with fondu front, if you are doing multiple fondus, the back leg retraces its movement back to coup de pied as the standing leg bends. There are two varieties of fondu side. One where the leg passes through a coup de pied front to extend, and one where it passes through a coup de pied back to extend. To begin, start in fifth with either leg in front. Plie and articulate that working leg off the floor to a coup de pied, and then keep on bending until you reach the bottom of your plie, and then extend both knees at the same time. If the exercise you are dancing calls for multiple fondus, retrace the movement of the extended leg back to coup de pied as you bend the standing leg. Here are 3 goals to work towards in your fondus. Try to keep your hips level in any fondu. The working hip tends to want to hike up, but don't let that hip hike up. Keep it level in all of your fondus. Try to keep the working leg directed directly to the front if you are doing fondu front, directly to the side if you're doing fondu side, and directly to the back if you're doing a fondu back. Try to avoid the leg going to either the front side corner or the back side corner. The most important thing about fondus is the movement quality. It should have a gooey, molasses, slow, controlled quality. There are no, I'm at the bottom, now I'm out, I'm at the bottom, now I'm out. It's not like that. It's a smooth movement going through molasses in every position. Okay, that's the video. If you'd like to learn about the other fondus, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified about my other videos.